A lot of people think that becoming a great mortgage advisor is all about technical knowledge and having a financial background, but it isn't. The qualification gives you the theory, but the skills you rely on every single day are way more practical and people focused. So here's what genuinely makes the difference between an average broker and a successful one. Number one is strong communication skills. Now, this is a really big one. Successful brokers can very easily explain complex things simply. They can ask really good questions. They can build trust quickly. They can keep clients calm and informed. People don't want jargon. They want clarity. And if you communicate well, you're already half of the way there. The second thing is organization and attention to detail. A mortgage application has a lot of moving parts. You got documents, you got deadlines, you got lender requirements, you got case notes. Also, protection advice. You see, being organized isn't optional. It directly impacts how smooth the process is for your clients and how many cases you can actually handle at once. The third thing is sales confidence without any hard selling. So you don't need to be pushy, but you do need to have confidence, especially when you're talking to clients through the advice process, explaining your recommendations, talking about protection and helping clients make decisions. You see, the brokers who grow the fastest are the ones who treat sales like a professional skill, not something they just want to avoid because it's like a dirty word. The fourth thing is problem solving ability. Every client situation is completely different. So you're constantly going to deal with irregular income. You're going to deal with credit issues, property quirks, missing documents, lender restrictions. Good brokers stay calm, look at the whole picture and find solutions where others might miss. The fifth thing is consistency and follow through. Success in this career is not about one-off big wins. It's about turning up consistently, following the process, updating the clients, completing tasks on time, reviewing cases properly, doing the small things every single day. Consistency builds your reputation, and your reputation is what builds your business. So number 6 is empathy and patience. Buying a home is stressful. Clients might be emotional, uncertain, or overwhelmed. And the best brokers are the ones who listen properly, reassure clients, break things down step by step, and they don't rush the relationship. You're not just finding a mortgage, you see. You are guiding people through one of the biggest financial decisions of their entire life. And number 7 is a willingness to learn and improve. The market is always changing. Lender criteria changes, technology changes, consumer duty and consumer expectation change. Brokers who succeed long-term are the ones who update themselves with knowledge all the time, work on their process and refine it as much as they possibly can. They improve their sales skills. They learn from mistakes and they stay open to coaching and development. You see, if you enjoy learning, you will absolutely thrive in this industry. So what skills do you really need? Well, you don't need a financial degree at all or a banking background. You just need communication, organization, consistency, and the willingness to treat it like a craft. If you bring those to the table, you're going to be very successful. Now, if you want to know how much a mortgage broker would earn in this industry, check out this video on screen right now.